Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you this MSI Mag 275F monitor that I just bought. It is a friendly budget monitor. So let's unbox it together. It's been like a while since I want to buy a monitor. As you can see, this is the setup that I'm using currently. Let me just set the camera. As I told you, this is the setup that I've been using, just my laptop and a desk. And now I'm going to add this monitor to it, so let's unbox it. Should we start like this? Yeah. I really do struggle when I try to design or read something. Is always the writing is too small. And also for gaming, sometimes I play video games, so it will also help me regarding that. Sorry guys, this is one of my videos without no scripts, so I'm trying to talk as much as I can. Yeah, so be mindful of that. Ooh, nice. It's really done and packaged. And some of you, if you're asking for the price of it, it is around 150 to 170. Yeah, it is between that range. Yeah, and it comes with the 180 hertz refresh rate and an EPS panel with the 0.5 millisecond speed. Yeah, and a 27 inch monitor. Not 27 inch, 27. What's the dimension? Whatever. Okay. Look at our guy here. Ooh. Guys, it is really done and packaged well. Wow. And it's also double layered, like they has this cardboard around it before you will see the actual package. Let's reveal. Oh, so happy! Wow. Actually, guys, I can't describe my happiness right now. It's been a while since I want to invest in a monitor. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. I almost dropped it. Wow. Okay, go away. So look what we have here. We have the base that stands on it. This is the base. Wow, it is well designed. It is so heavy, guys. And this is the monitor. It is so heavy, guys. I don't know how to describe it. I'm so scared to drop it. Ooh, wow. Wow. So big. This is the monitor 27 monitor. It doesn't look so big in the screen. Yeah. Wow, my first ever monitor. I'm not going to remove the edges for the moment till I turn it on. Let's take these things out of my way. And this also. And now let's try to mount it, as they say. This like should go like this. It is so easy to mount. Oh, so easy. And then I don't know if I'm supposed to. As you can see, guys, now it is mounted. This is the back of it. You can also mount that support. You can also mount the support, so you can make it a little bit higher. Let's remove those also. I think I should keep them. Yeah, there is no need to remove them. Maybe if I want to set it, this is where you turn on or adjust the monitor. And this is it, guys. I don't like the base, but it's cool actually. I like to be like very minimal. I think it still look nice. And it's also, you can adjust it like this, which is very nice. So as you can see, guys, this is the full setup. Like I put my laptop there with the support that goes under it, so it's a little bit up. And this is the MSI monitor that we just unboxed, and I've been using it a couple of months now, and it's actually a very good monitor. You can see the colors, how they are very saturated and also clear, and this is not the full brightness of the monitor. You can adjust it from here. You have a button in the back, yeah, and here you can, let me autofocus, yeah, as you can see. This is it. Gaming, professional, image, input source. Yeah, basically here. As you can see, the brightness, it is not in its full. Yeah. And this is my laptop here. Here is the Dell XPS 15. It is such a great, powerful laptop. I use it like for all tasks, gaming, designing, editing. Yeah. So basically this is my new setup, and I've been using it this couple of months and days, and it's actually really good. So yeah, I hope guys you enjoy this review and this unboxing of this monitor. So yeah, this is it. Bye. See you guys in another video.